Hi all my vermiculture friends. I am looking at this here old seed cleaner, and what I noticed was when you crank the handle, see how that shakes back and forth? So I was wondering if y'all thought it would be possible that if I sent my worm castings down through here, this is how you put it in, and then as that shakes back and forth, because you could put it on a motor, just do it by hand, okay? So it comes down, it would land on this screen here, and then this shakes back and forth, and then whatever larger items didn't fall through it. I'll have to make one of these screens here with a solid bottom that I could put in, say, just under that screen, and then I would have to empty that every time we screened. So the castings would fall here, and the smallest would fall into this trap right under it, and then the rest would fall off the top. We can scoot this out to say here, and then when the larger would fall here to the next size screen, this would possibly be I don't know, I think this is maybe what this is about. Something like this fits here too, so that when you're doing this, it would fall, hit this, and then go back in there. This is the next size. So I think maybe the cocoons would fall through that size mesh. And now we have the castings falling first through here in the smaller. This will be a tray to catch those in, and you just pull it out and empty it every time. They fall down to this next size screen down here, and it's a very long screen. And then there's an outlet down behind there where it would fall, and I can put one of the big black tubs underneath there to catch those larger portions. And then all I'd have to do is, I suppose, put something up a little higher to catch some way to catch the castings that are falling below on this wooden bottom. Is there a way? You think we could turn this seed cleaner into a casting cocoon separator sifter? Okay, let me try to just turn the wheel and show you how it goes. We could get it going fast enough. Would it work? Comment below what you think. If you know how these things used to work back in the day when they ran, and if it can be converted over. Thanks for watching, and thanks for helping me out.